Going to Evan's house. What's up, brother? Hey, family. Hey, Jazzy. What are you doing? Oh, no, what are you doing? What are you doing? No, Evan, what are you doing? Evan! Evan! Madison, help! No! 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 Evan! No! Evan! Evan! Why? So that first video that, oh wait, I didn't even post it. Okay, I gotta go back and post it. But the video that I'm gonna post was obviously staged. So me and Madison are handcuffed. And we're gonna be handcuffed for the next 48 hours because, you know, we fight, and so we just wanted to make this a challenge. So, okay, bye. While recording the intro that you're about to see on my story, I forgot to take my bag off. So now we're gonna go through the struggles. Oh, it's not even a struggle. Bam! Huggy, wipe your eyes. Don't play with. Don't be dishonest.
You already said you would.
Stop moving your hand. Ride out together.
Look at my pretty bracelet.
Taking a walk to where are we going? The gas station. Like this. Oh, he's right there.
Strangulation. How to be handcuffed to this stupid cow for like
Cow. You see?
48 hours. We're walking to the gas station right now.
Did you say we're walking through the gas station?
We're walking to the gas station.
Is that really weird? Guys? Hello. So, guys. Hey, Maddie. First bathroom trip. So when we went to the gas station earlier, there was this dude in a wheelchair, and he saw the handcuffs, and he was like, "I got keys if you guys need them." Skeet.
Tell me how it tastes.
Watch. Hey guys, so it's the first night and Madison took us asleep, but we're still coming. And Evan's over there about to go to sleep, so I'm about to go to sleep. And yeah, just wanted to keep y'all updated. Peace. So me and Madison just woke up and still touched. My wrist hurts a little bit, but not as much as my neck hurts from sleeping in these chairs.
Casey's about to sleep with her hand next to her. And my hand is not even attached anymore. We can do my mascara.
No.
Come on.
So she was like, "I need to get ready." She said, "Come with me." I was like, "I have to," because still attached. The mall.
That's both.
Then the mall. multiple people stare at the handcuffs, but not really like make any faces or say anything until we went into there. And then this little boy was seeing them, and what was his face, Maddie? He was like he was literally just staring at them. And then her dad was like, "That's what happens when you're bad." And yeah, it was funny. Okay, bye. Right now, if you ever do this, make sure you have some type of padding. Because this hurts. We're at Burger King now. Yeah. Wait, I got these better ones. So this next section is a bunch of pictures of me and Madison skateboarding while being handcuffed. And there's quite a few. I didn't realize how many pictures there were until I selected everything. And I was gonna put them in like between some videos, but then that was a lot of work and I didn't feel like doing it anymore. So they're just all right here. So you can skip through them if you want, but yeah, they're pretty dope pictures by Evan. So shout out to him for helping us throughout the 48 hours. And yeah. Okay, bye. And one more thing, they didn't think we were going to be able to do it, but we proved them wrong, and we're pretty proud of ourselves also. So yeah. And Evan said even if we said to unlock the handcuffs, he wouldn't do it. So also shout out to him for that. But we never asked him to. But still, even if we did, he wouldn't have let it. So yeah. Okay, now I'm done. Bye. This is the last picture. So, I started creating the video. Dang it! So I started creating the little movie thing that we're putting together from this experience. And stop holding my hand. I know we're connecting, Maddie. That doesn't mean touch me, okay? Stop.
You're touching me!
Still connected because we can't disconnect until 5:30 p.m. tomorrow. So... it's the fact is we haven't even, like, we're not tired of each other. It's just we're tired of being in these handcuffs because they are painful. Like, painful.
TC's editing the movie. TC's editing.
No, currently I'm putting the videos together. I'm just collecting the videos and stuff. Yo, does she look tired? Does he look tired?
No.
Do I look tired? Nope. So, it's night number 2, the last night. Madison's been asleep for a while. So me and Evan are about to go to sleep. It's, what time is it? It's 3:06 right now, so we have less than 24 hours to be cuffed, and I honestly can't wait. So, yeah. Alright, good night guys, bye. Good morning guys. Me and Madison just woke up. Day 2. From night 2. Still attached. My wrist actually doesn't hurt because my wrist was like more towards her.
My wrist is numb.
Hello? Okay.
Because my wrist was more towards her. But the only thing, she kept moving her arm last night. So, it was... Yeah, she kept pushing mine off too. So, yeah. But mine doesn't hurt. My neck doesn't hurt like yesterday either. So yeah. Okay, bye. Madison's over here trying to kill me.
Swing, swing. Ow. Nope.
Still attached. We're trying to find a yard sale right now.
We've got like 6 more hours.
Yeah. So excited. Okay, bye. Probably the last potty break. Probably the last bathroom time because we're done in like 3 hours. So yeah, okay, bye. How old are you?
13.
Right. I got a bunch of different kinds of time because
Okay, so literally 2 more minutes and I'll keep going doing it, guys. 5:30. Okay, bye.
This is it, huh?
So just start small.
Yes.
Easily set, track, and control your goals right from your personal blog.
It's like, uh-oh, I can't get it. My wrist is free. I'm not connected.
We delinquent